Hey guys, it's Patrick, so welcome back to my channel. So today I have partnered with Clinique to show you guys how I got this fast beach face. I've done my makeup in around 10 or 12 minutes and it was very stressful, but this is reality, guys. Like, I do not have hours a day to do my makeup, so this is something that I can still be satisfied with out the door. I still look like Patrick Star, I still have my lashes, I still have my full coverage, I still have my overline lip in a matter of minutes. And in today's video, we are featuring the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Super Concealer Camouflage 24-Hour Wear product. Can you believe that long name fits on this tiny little package? And this concealer is godsend. It's great. They come in 18 shades. This is hydrating. It's waterproof. It is transfer resistant. It is oil free. It doesn't settle in your fine lines. It's cake proof. It is legit the best concealer. And what I love about it is, again, 18 shades. They come with one universal apricot corrector, which I use under my eyes, around the lips for my hyperpigmentation. And I layered on my concealer medium 16. This is thebomb.com. Be sure to check it out on Sephora.com, also in store, online. And if you guys want to see how I did this full beat face snatch look in a matter of minutes, subscribe to this channel, hit that little bell, and let's jump right into this tutorial. Alright folks, I am a little bit nervous because I normally do this on my own but never on camera, and I want to do it as authentically as I can when I'm in a rush to a meeting. But I do have a stopwatch here, and let's just go and get started. Okay, first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and take this Clinique Beyond Perfecting Super Concealer Camouflage 24-Hour Wear Waterproof Concealer. This is awesome. It hydrates everything and it's waterproof, so what better way than using this Clinique product. This has an apricot shade, which I love. It. This is pretty universal. You see already automatically I am being corrected. And normally if I'm in a rush, I have to correct because my blues will show through. And that's not what we want. Next, I'm going to take this full coverage foundation by Kat Von D and just swirl it all over the face. Guys, we are in a rush for our meeting. This is real time. Feel like I'm racing the clock, but I really want to do a good job because normally when I'm doing these things, I have to look presentable. And I'll take some foundation and I'll apply it more so on the cheeks and also on the eyelids. And my brows are naturally full, so I can pretty much get away with just a little bit of brow gel. Next, I'm going to take the Clinique concealer in the color medium 16, and I'm going to apply this under my eyes and the high points of my face. This concealer, legit, guys, is full coverage. It's so nice. It comes in like a little tube. I'm apply this with a brush. I'll just go about how I like to highlight. And waterproof, and it just makes my skin look so good, especially if I'm in a rush. And I'll go ahead and I'll take the excess on my hand. We're not trying to waste no product. And just bounce my booty blender. Not bad for 4 minutes. Okay, right away I am gonna set this with my powder and go down the nose. Guys, I'm really rushing. And forehead, I'll literally just do the center of my face. Next, I am going to take a little bit of this Paint Pot by MAC, and I'm gonna just color correct the lids just a little bit for the kids. Really, really simple. And next I'm gonna take Patrick's powder, not powder, my eyeshadow palette. It's a Patrick's eyeshadow palette that I would do with MAC, and I'm just gonna run this saddle through the crease. Guys, this is so simple. You know when your ass gotta be out. This is like the bare minimum that I do. But for those of you that want to do the bare minimum but look glam, but learn from me what I do, this is what I do. Usually I'm like in panic mode when I have to do this, and my manager or my publicist is texting me like, where are you? And this is the part where I'm like, yeah, I'm like calling the Uber. 5 minutes. There's traffic. That's where I'm at right now. Next, just to finish the lid, I'm just going to take Oh My God from the palette and pat it all over. I feel like eyeliner really wakes me up. Now at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and take my lashes and apply some glue. Yes, we're doing quick glam and lashes. Now, the trick is having the lashes like almost get dry. And then I'm gonna move on and then do my mascara. And then I'll just pinch these later. The key to doing a quick glam face, I feel, is literally doing your essential elements to your look. So obviously mine is full coverage, lashes, contour. That's what I'm just trying to hit. I'm trying to hit all those key elements to my look so I still look somewhat decent. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this Pro Finish powder in the color 170 and throw some color back into my face. And then I'm gonna contour my nose using a bronzer. Guys, not bad for my ass doing this in around 10 minutes. And move on to my lips. Guys, I'm really in a rush. Okay. I'm gonna take Sweet Mama Star. Sweet Mama Star Kiss. I love that color. And then add some blush. And then last but not least, the lashes. See, the lashes are just gonna cover your uneven liner anyways. Oh my gosh, guys, I think we literally did this look in under 15 minutes. All I need is just some bottom shadow and then some bottom mascara. You are good. Oh my god, did we do it? And we are 12 minutes and 30 seconds. And then the last thing I would need is just like a spray. 5 seconds. So good. All right, you guys, this is my finished look. Category is natural, beat face snatched, full glam in a matter of minutes. I hope you guys are able to take away tips and tricks from my tutorial. Be sure to check out Clinique's newest concealer in store and online. And if you guys want to see more of these quick beat face looks, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, leave me a comment below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.